Welcome to Optic Retail 2393. Let's find out who's winning the Pelicans. We'll grab all of our NBA teams, chuck them over to the list, and go from there. Here we go, 5 times. Let's do this. We are pulling this up, removing the Pelicans wherever they fell. There they are. And going 5 times. Oh, we don't want to also remove the Thunder. That'd be unfair. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the LA Clippers. Literally the last team to go. 5 times. Clippers on top. And that goes to old Justin Valentine. Congratulations. Here we go. Two spots left in 2378. Have a good one, Logan. See you later. Two 378 has 2 spots left. Good luck to all involved in that. Actually, I'm going to open them all. Here we go. James Harden, Nerlens Noel, and Alan Smilagic. Andre Drummond, Hassan Whiteside, and Quinn Cook. So no love so far. Colin Sexton, Kyle Lowry, and Nice Matisse. Guys, when Tabby gets back, we're going to hassle him about being out for so long. Here we go. Henson, Nice Steph Curry, always include. Rodions Caruks, Fournier, Whiteside, Brooksy, Darius Garland, Cam Reddish, Daniel Gafford, Silver, Ray and Prince, Green, Austin Rivers, and a backstage pass of Giannis. I have a Pepsi next to me. I might slam that down. I think. Alright. Kleiber, Harris, Sabonis, Aldridge, Bainsey, Mitchell, Brandon Clark, Naz Reid, Dirk Nowitzki, a Silver, Daniel Gafford, a blue tribute, nice, Damian Lillard. And we got next, Kobe White. So a good little one there. Just a little bonus in case the old Optic doesn't go our way. Biombo, Gilgeous-Alexander, Larry Nance, Jeff Green, Kelly Oubre, Derrick Rose, J.R. Smith, Jordan Poole, Horford, Silver 3-J McCollum, and nice Jordan McLaughlin scope. As well as a Zero Gravity John Wall. Here we go. Optic Retail. Let's hope we can string together some nice cards. Not a bad start for the old hoops, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for this one. Let's begin. All right. Jason Richardson, Brandon Ingram, Kyle Lowry, Express Lane, and Romeo Langford rookie. Hey, LTR. How you doing, buddy? Draymond Green, Joel Embiid, Silver, Bradley Beal. Bruno Fernando. You're actually in it right now. This is literally it. Right here. Dennis Smith Jr., Jimmy Butler. A nice Steph Curry purple. Oh, no, sorry. That's a purple. That's a blue to 85. This is a PYT. Absolutely. 2393. Nice little pickup there. Numbered Steph Curry. You always want that. Bridges, Brooke Lopez, winner stays of Akeem Olajuwon, Kendrick Nunn. Mike Conley, your Conley, our Conley, Damian Lillard, Rajon Rondo, and a Kyle Lowry. Kuzma. You want the Wizards, don't you? Pau Gasol, My House, Giannis, and DeAndre Ayton. Wendell Carter Jr. Nice Cab Jab. Winner stays purple. Silver, Marcus Smart and Dylan Windler. Kembra Walker. Will Barton. Purple, Darius Garland for the Cavaliers and Jared Allen. AD. Willie Cauley-Stein. Nikola Vucevic. The Loose Voose. And Niccolo Melli. Delon Wright. Nice T-321 silver, Anthony Davis. Express Lane, Lou Williams. Derek Rose. Lakers starting to put together some nice cards. Jokic. Chris Dunn. Silver, Paul George. And an Ignas Brazdeikis. Danny Green. Kent Bazemore. John Stockton, Express Lane. And Terrence Mann for the Clippers. Bledsoe. Fred Van Yeet. Purple, Carson Edwards for the Celtics. And Malcolm Brogdon. Buddy Hield. Aaron Gordon. Winner stays. Nice Kawhi Leonard and Darius Bazley. Oh, what'd you get, AP? Tatum. Marc Gasol. T-321 of Cats and Chris Paul. Alan Crabb. It's not Toddy, is it? Oh, whatever his name was. Joe Ingles. Purple, Russell Westbrook for the Rockets and Kevin Love. Moro. It wasn't a Moro Toselletti. Oh, nice. Where'd you find that? Enes Kanter. Purple splash of Kawhi Leonard. My House, Luka Doncic. And Jarrett Culver for the Timberwolves. Ivica Zubac. Steph Curry. Base. Include that. Eric Bledsoe. Rocco. Oh, wow. You've been exploring. Gary Harris. Nicholas Batum. Splash of Giannis. And a Rui Hachimura rookie base. And then finally, what have we got in the last pack? Unfortunately, none of the big boys pop up. Giannis, Moses Malone, Winter Stay Silver, Purple Miles Turner, and Tristan Thompson. And that is it for Optic Retail.